Do you love Japanese food? We are making it easy, healthy, and fun right at home. I'm Yoshiko from Tokyo Flavors, New York Style, and with my partner Ian,
Konnichiwa.
We are bringing you bold Japanese flavors with a New York twist. Let's cook!
Okonomiyaki, my favorite Japanese dish of all time. I'm still dreaming about eating that at this great place in Kyoto we went to. That little spot with a sizzling griddle, the chef flipping with flair. It was amazing. Can we really do this at home?
Of course, there are many styles of okonomiyaki, but today I'm showing you a simple version you can make anywhere, even with a specialty Japanese ingredients. It will still be super tasty.
Fantastic. Okay, so first we cut the cabbage. Not too small, right?
Right. This size keeps it tender but still gives texture, and I usually use a palm-sized portion of cabbage for a small okonomiyaki.
Got it. And after cutting, you rinse and drain the cabbage in a colander. And now for the batter. You put 1/3 cup of flour in a bowl and then slowly add water.
Exactly. Add water little by little. You want a batter that's smooth, not too thick, not too runny. If you have a flour sifter, that helps too.
Okay, and then you add 1/2 packet of dashi powder, which is Japanese broth powder, and keep mixing. And then crack in 1 egg, and then after that goes in the cabbage.
Once the egg and cabbage are in, just gently mix together, not too much.
Okay, now it's time to cook. So we heat a pan over medium-high heat, add a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and in goes the mix. And then you lay thinly sliced pork on top.
This is a basic version, but you can also add shrimp or squid. I love a seafood and pork okonomiyaki combo.
Me too. Now we cover the pan and let it cook for 3 minutes. And whilst that's going on, it's sauce time.
If you don't have okonomiyaki sauce from a Japanese store, no problem. Just mix 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon honey.
That's stuff we all have at home. Without the authentic sauce, there is no okonomiyaki.
Absolutely.
Okay, so lid off and we flip it. Whoa, golden brown and beautiful. Then put the lid back on and cook for another 3 minutes. After that, then we flip one more time and cook uncovered for 1 minute.
And it's done.
Now the toppings. The sauce first, and be generous with that. Then Kewpie mayonnaise. Oh, look at those zigzags. That's so pretty.
Then bonito flakes. If you have aonori, which is dried green seaweed flakes, sprinkle that too. It adds amazing flavor. Some people also add red pickled ginger. Feel free to include it if you like. There are many variations of this dish throughout Japan.
Okay, and you know, I learned that okonomi means as you like, and yaki means to fry. So there's no limit mixing different ingredients for this great dish.
Ian, you are doing your homework. Well done.
Itadakimasu!
Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious.
Happy
Happy cooking!